Let's DIY an easy bee skep for a coffee bar for spring with a bee theme using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with one of their little round foam pieces. It has the perfect shape to start a bee skep, and then I'm going to use Dollar Tree rope. It doesn't really matter which of the brown ropes you use, the thicker or the thinner. Either one would work. The thinner might be a little bit easier since you're making a smaller bee skep. But I just start here at the very bottom. I have it turned upside down where the skinnier side of the foam is on the top, so it'll get that great sloping shape where I can work my way up. Now, it's not as tall as I want the B-skep to be, but the rope does really well when you glue it to itself. So this is one package of the rope. I just keep gluing it to the foam and itself like this, just one section at a time, and allow my hot glue to set up. I just removed the tape from the end and I'm going to keep wrapping this around. I'm going to need to use more than one package of the rope because I don't have it closed in yet. I don't have it quite tall enough yet. So I'm going to go in with a second package. It's really easy to hide the seam on the brown rope I have found. And I'm also going to cut off a little piece here for the handle. I attached it to the foam like that with some hot glue. So I will have that little skep handle sticking out at the top when I have it completely closed up with rope. As you can see now, I don't have any foam. I'm just gluing it to the rope itself. And each time I'm trying to make it a little bit skinnier, tightening the circle around the little handle that we attached to the foam until I get all the way to the top and I can close that up. Such an easy way to make a bee skep. I've made them lots of ways. This might be one of the easiest ways I've ever made one. I actually have a giant bee skep using one of those giant $5 Easter eggs from the Dollar Tree on my YouTube channel right now. Once I get this all on here, I'm going to burn off any of the fuzzies on the Dollar Tree rope just using a lighter. And we need to decorate this a little bit to make it look more like a bee skep. You're going to want like a little hole for the bees to go in and out. It's usually represented by a black dot. So I'm actually just going to paint mine on with some black acrylic paint. Just a little circle right in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect, just sort of circular in shape. I find circles really hard to paint for some reason. But I started small and kind of worked my way out so I could adjust it as needed. Then I wanted to decorate it with a few bees. These are the little wood bees from the Dollar Tree. If you can't find them there, they are also available, pretty similar ones on Amazon. And I glue 3 of them there like they're going into the little bee skep or beehive. This is how it looks on my bee themed coffee bar. If you would like more bee or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.